How to open YouTube Studio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in to the account whose YouTube Studio you are looking forward to open. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for YouTube Studio. Tap on that, and if you have not previously logged in, you might need to log in for YouTube Studio if it is your first time. So simply enter your login credentials, and with this you will be logged in to your YouTube Studio. So this is how you can open YouTube Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.